my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to know how much time you are spending on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit till you get your time on Facebook. In this icon you can see your time, see how much time you are spending on Facebook and what you are doing with your time. Press on see time. Here you can find time per day, the amount of time you spend using the Facebook app on this device. Also daytime versus night time. This amount of time you spend using Facebook app on this device you can find here. And visits, the number of times you open the Facebook app on this device. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to know how much time you are spending on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.